Hey everybody, how are you all? I hope you are all are fine and safe. Okay, so here I have a chalk and here I have two boards over here, and I hope you all know that what I'm gonna do on these two boards. Okay, let's begin. After just without talking any much unnecessary talk. Okay, so what I have today is I have an integral, and I think it's quite a very easy. But what I'm gonna tell you after some time will just will lead you to think about something. Okay, will lead you to think about it too much. So just wait for that moment, and I'll just let you know that yeah, here I got like my mind have blown at this point of time, and yeah, I'll let you know. Okay, just stay tuned. So I'm gonna write the integral here. So we have I as integral. I hope you can see this integral of cosine of x minus sine of x times 3 plus 4 sine 2x. 3 plus 4 times sine 2x. Okay. So here I got this integral. So I was just exploring a YouTube channel randomly, and I'm very interested in integrals, so I was just looking at integral videos of him, and sorry, I got a video where he is just teaching integral in one shot. That's a good thing, and it's a bit long, and it is about 7 hours. So yeah, you can see right here. This is the YouTube channel, and the YouTube channel is Maths SHTAM Rajan Chopra. Okay. Yeah. He is a teacher of IIT Jam Mathematics. I was just exploring randomly. Okay, I got up here. I got this question. So I'm just copying his steps for this integral. Okay, his solution steps. Okay. So what he did is firstly looking at this thing. Okay, this thing. So we have 4 plus, sorry bro, my board is 3 plus 4 times sine 2x. So he is writing it as 3 minus 4 plus 4, right, and plus 4 sine 2x, right. So and now he is just 3 minus 4 is minus 1, of course, minus 1 plus 4 1 plus sine 2x, and what he did here is minus 1 plus 4 times 1 can be written as sine square x plus cos square x, right, and sine 2x is nothing but 2 sine x cos x, right. And now what is this? This is whole square formula. So minus 1 plus 4 times sine x plus cosine of x whole squared, right? He wrote it like that. And now he is just putting, like substituting, sine x plus cosine of x equals t. So now you can see that after differentiating both sides, we will lead to cosine of x minus sine of x dx as dt, right? So what we have here, this and this here, and here the t. So we will have a very simple integral after this. So I'm just copying his steps. So he just integrated it, and you can think about it. Should I explain it? Okay, let me explain it. Okay. So yeah, I is here I have dt as this. Okay, so we have dt right over here, an integral of minus 1 plus negative of 1 plus 4 times of t square, right? T square. So we have this t. So negative 1 plus 4 t square, right? So I is, now you can just put like you can just break it down, right? Like our integral will be -1 dt plus 4 times t square dt. And this is very simple to understand what this is gonna be here, and I'm just gonna writing it here. So I is nothing but negative of t. Let me check whether I did something. T squared over 2. Where, man? How? -1 plus 4t square times t. Oh. Wait. Wait a second, guys. Wait a second. Let me just check whether I did it wrong. And this is t. Sin x plus cosine of x is t. Okay. So I wrote it like this, and this becomes dt. Then where comes the catch? I think he did something wrong over here. He did something wrong, I think. Bro, sorry, guys. If I'm doing wrong, then just tell me. He broke it like this. So we have here -1, yeah, that's good. And we have this thing, which comes out to be this, right? So we have solved this in terms of sin x plus cos x, right? That's enough. So I'm switching on this board, okay? So we have integral of cosine of x minus sine of x times 3 plus 4 sin 2x is nothing but -1 plus 4 times sin x plus cos x whole square, right? And we have here dx. So after this, assuming that sin x plus cosine of x is t, right? I hope you can see that. Sin x plus cosine of x is equal to t. Then after differentiating, it will be cosine of x minus sine of x dx is dt. So this and this becomes dt, and we will end up with this only. So integral will be -1 plus 4 t squared dt. Okay, so we have our sorry guys, negative times the integral of dt plus 4 times the integral of t squared dt. So our integral will be like this: -t plus 4t cube over 3, right? This is what it will be. Yeah, this is going to be like this. So we have this thing after solving that integral. Okay, he did something wrong in this video, I think. Yeah, he what he is doing is, what he is doing is here he is multiplying with extra t, and I don't know where he is just where he is just putting t. Why he is just putting t over right here? Why? Like, why do you want to put it? I don't know what he is thinking, but according to my knowledge, this is correct, and our I will be like this, that 4t cubed over 3. Okay. So now I have another method of doing this integral, and I'm gonna do this by my method, this integral by my method on that board. Okay, so let me just clean that up. Yep. So what we have, let me just get it like, yeah, it's good I think. So we have I as integral of, what we have, cosine of x minus sine of x times 3 plus 4 sine 2x dx, right? Actually, I'm suffering from fever, that's why I'm just coughing frequently. Don't mind. Okay, so what I'm gonna do with my I, let me just put it I note, okay? Don't get mixed up with these two I's. Well, these two are both, okay, I just left it, the I. So, simple method, just multiplying these two things together. So here comes bracket. Cosine of x times 3 is 3 cosine of x. Same as minus sine of x, which comes out to be minus 3 sine of x. Sine of x times 4 sine 2x. Well, sine 2x is nothing but here 2 sin x cos x, right? So sine 2x is 2 sin x cos x. Let me just drink of water, yeah. Yeah, so we have 4 times, this comes out to be, let me just write it, 8 sin x cosine of x. So 8 times sin x cosine of x times cos x, which is plus 8 sin x cosine squared x, right? And negative of 8 sin squared x cosine of x dx, right? And now I will just break it up. I will just break this integral in 4 parts and individually solve this, and now it can be seen that it is very easy to understand. I'm I'm just gonna match my, okay, let me just put my values over here. Actually t is not the right thing, so negative of sin x plus cosine of x plus 4 over 3 times sin x cosine of x whole cube. Okay, make sure that I have according to his according to his steps, according to his method, we are getting this value, and I'm just gonna check my value that this should be like this should be same as this. So I is integral of 3 comes out and cosine x dx, again 3 sin x dx plus 8 cosine square x sin x dx minus 8 sin square, this is sin squared x cosine x dx. Yeah, these two are direct integrals and I have written their values over here. So I is 3 times integral of cosine of x is sin of x minus 3 times integral of sine of x is negative of cosine of x plus 8. In this integral, I'm just letting that my cosine x is t, right? So differentiating both sides, negative sin x dx is dt, right? So this will be negative here, and that negative will be here, okay? This negative will be out here, sin x dx here, and cosine. So we will have t squared dt minus 8 So in this again I'm doing that thing. Sin x is m. So cosine of x dx is dt. So m squared dm. This is d, yeah, dx, and this is dm. Okay. So we have our I as 3 sin x minus 3, which is plus 3 cosine of x, and 8 minus 8 t cube over 3 minus 8 m cube over 3, right? I as, now just putting t and m in this and in this. So 3 sin of x plus 3 cosine of x minus 8 times 8 over 3. This is cos cube x minus 8 over 3 sin cube x plus c. Sorry, I did something very brutal over here. Plus c. So according to my method, I got this answer. Yeah. So so I'm just writing it down on a copy, and then we will just check whether both are equal or not. Okay. I'm just writing these two answers on a notebook. Okay, so yeah, I hope you can understand that how I did it. Okay. I think that method is quite easy to understand. That we don't need to do anything extra, right? We just multiplied these two both terms, and after just breaking down integrals in big parts, and then solving in those integrals individually, and then adding up the final answers. And I think these two answers are equal, of course, but I don't think that I did any kind of mistake. So I as minus times sine of x plus cosine of x plus cosine of x plus 4 over 3 sine of x plus cosine of x whole cube plus c. And my my answer is 3 sin x plus 3 cosine x minus 8 over 3 cos cube x minus 8 over 3 sin cube x. Yeah, so just cleaning up a board and then just try to solve those two. Which one should be cleaned? This board is not that good, but that board is good. So I think I should clean that board up. Okay. So yeah, it's good to yeah. Eventually, after some time, I will erase these two boards, and then we'll have some fun with mathematics, of course. Okay. So here comes the YouTube teachers. What do you call it? Answer negative of. I hope you can see that. Sine of x plus cosine of x plus 4 over 3 sine x plus cosine x whole cube, right? And this should be equal to 3 sine x, sorry, yeah, here 3 cosine x minus 8 over 3 sine cube x minus 8 over 3 cos cube x, right? So this is just moving towards to solving these two equations. I think I think I should open this up firstly. Yeah, let's see. I think I should firstly multiply this with taking this LCM, that 3 will be cancelled out from both sides in the denominator, right? So here comes minus 3 times sine of x plus cosine of x plus 4, and this I'm just expanding this 2 in this step. Sine cube x plus cos cube x plus 3 sin x cos x plus sin x, right? So here comes right, 2 parentheses, yeah, and over 3 is also here, over 3, and that right hand side is here, multiply by taking LCM. Sin x plus 9 cosine of x minus 8 sine cube x minus 8 cosine cube x over 3. So 3 is just being cancelled out both sides, and yep, just looking at left hand side, so we have negative of 3 sin x, negative of 3 sin x, and negative plus, sorry, minus 3 sin x minus 3 cosine x. You got messed up right there. And we have 4 sine cube x plus 4 cos cube x plus 12 sin x cosine x cos x plus sin x. I think this is quite big. Okay, let's do it together. We have time, a lot of time. So 9 sine of x plus 9 cosine of x minus 8 sine cube minus 8 cos cube, right? Yeah. So just putting like terms single side. So we have 12 sin x cos x plus sin x equals 9 sin x plus 3 sin x is 12 sin x. 9 cosine of x plus 3 cosine of x, after just sending these two terms right side on the right hand side, okay, and this would be 12 cosine of x too. Negative of 8 and negative of 4 is negative of 12, sorry, wait a second, no, it's not negative, it's positive. So here we will have, like, it's positive right here now. So after just sending it right hand side, it will be negative. So negative 8 sine cube x and negative 4 sine cube x, it will be negative 12 sine cube x, and similarly it will be negative 12 cos cube x. So just taking out 12 both sides and will cancel out. So we have here sin x cosine of x cosine of x plus sin x. Sin x times cos x whole times cos x plus sin x, right? And here we have sin x plus cosine of x minus, taking out minus common over here, we have sin cube x plus cos cube x, right? Okay, now I can see something better right here. I have to erase these two board. I have to erase this board also, just because we are just ending the space over there, and I didn't think that it will take these kind of space. I think mathematics is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life, and that's why I usually do mathematics on this board. I never wrote physics, I never wrote English, I never wrote any kind of different subjects rather than mathematics all time. Even let me tell you, even my phone is recording this video just standing through a mathematics book. Yeah, that's all. I love mathematics, that's why. Okay, so we have sine of x, cosine of x times cosine of x plus sine x, right? And on the right hand side we have sine of x plus cosine of x. Well, I'm just taking it in parentheses, and this is expanding that. So let me just expand right here. It is here, right? So this its expansion is sin x plus cos x times sin square x plus cos square x minus sin x cosine of x. So we have sin x plus cos x times sin square x plus cos square x is 1. So 1 minus sin x cos x, right? Yup, that's what I have wrote here. So now you can see that just taking out sin x plus cos x common right here, and we cancel out this. So sin x cos x times cos x plus sin x equals sin x plus cos x common 1 minus and 1 minus 1 oh man, sin x and sin of x, right? So yeah, this is just getting cancelled out, and we have sin x cosine of x, as 1 will cancel out negative times negative is positive, sin x times cosine of x. Hence proved, and hence I proved that teacher is just doing something wrong in his solution. Just because I told you that he was just multiplying unnecessary t here, and that made his solution worst. Actually, it was like, it was not correct, and that's what I should say. Okay, so I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you are enjoying this type of videos, and yeah, that's all I need. I don't think is there any kind of mistake with me, like in my English and in my teaching style and in my in my camera view, in anything, like, so you can just comment on, and I will try to improve that. I'm just a 12th grade student, and yep, that's all. But I love mathematics too much that I can just keep my girlfriend if I had side and then just doing mathematics. That's all I have. Like, if I had a girlfriend, like if I'm having a girlfriend, but that's not correct. I'm not having a girlfriend. I don't need that. But if I'm having, then I will just put her side and just do mathematics all day. That's what I love. That's what I do, and that's all we need to do. You should choose a thing that can just make you do, like, frequently. Yeah, if doing something frequently, not bad thing. Doing something frequently will lead you to get success. I don't think I will be succeeding in mathematics. I just wanted to discover something very big thing, but let's see whether I will be successful in or not. But yeah, I will try, and I will try. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much. Just stay tuned. I will just make another video of this kind.